In today's printer service instructions, we will be reviewing the HP LaserJet M304, 305, 404, 405, 329, 428, and 429 printer fuser and maintenance kit replacement instructions. Now, this series is the next generation from the HP M402, 426, 427. So many of the parts are interchangeable. It's a minor update. So the kit contents I'll leave in the comments section below, but it will have a fuser, a tray 1 pickup roller, tray 1 set pad, tray 2 pickup roller, tray 2 set pad, and a transfer roller. Now this maintenance kit is was designed by our engineers, as the OEM has not come out with a maintenance kit. So these are the high velocity parts, most likely to wear over time and should be replaced. So I will also leave the full and complete listing of all the models this goes in. It's quite extensive, and we will begin by approaching the device, making sure it's unplugged and off for about 30 minutes, and we'll open the front access door, toner access door. Now this is just tension relief. There's two plastic clips that you'll just pry in to release the tension, and the roller should just pop straight out. Under this there's a separation pad. We're just going to slide it to the right to give us more room, and remove the pad and reverse to replace. Now we'll move to the transfer roller, remove the cartridge. You want to wear gloves when removing this. You don't want to get your oils from your skin and your hands on with contact to the spongy black part, or you can contaminate it. And again, you can see it's just tension loaded, spring on one side and just an axle on the other. And we'll reverse to replace. Tough to get this shot, but you could see that we just inserted the axle on the left side first, and then positioned it and pushed down. Moving on to the tray. And we will reverse to replace. Moving on. Now we're going to orientate the printer upward to give us some good visibility for the camera. And reverse to replace. And moving on to the fuser. A couple of repair notes on this. Symptoms that you'll get from a printer that will tell you it's time to replace a fuser maintenance kit are image defects, noises, paper jams, paper feeding problems and error codes, like the 50 service error. Tools we're using for this project is a Phillips head and a flathead. And we'll reverse the process to replace. Just check the seams, make sure they are aligned. See, these covers can be a bit of a bear to work with. Just take your time and don't use too much mousing. Check your seams once again. And the process is complete. Don't forget to join the thousands of top service providers and get our monthly printer service tips via email. Just subscribe to service news at metrofuser.com. Have a great day.